CIS Azure Benchmark Section 2.1.6 covers enabling Microsoft Defender for open source relational databases. This includes databases such as MariaDB, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. The protections offered by this plan include password attack detection, so looking for things like brute forcing, password spraying, or credential stuffing. Also includes exploit detection, so this looks for SQL injection and other malformed SQL queries that might suggest an attack is taking place. And keep in mind this happens whether that attack is successful or failed, so that you can have insight into what's happening as it hits your database. This also includes data exfiltration detection, so looking for things like large amounts of data leaving your database and going to an unknown source, but could also be small amounts of data that are outside of normal activity as well. And lastly, it looks for access to or from unknown sources. So that could be IP addresses that are outside of the normal communication pattern. It could be access from different locations or different regions or even different countries. And could also be access from different systems that are in the Azure environment that aren't necessarily expected to be communicating with that database, whether that's inside of your subscription or outside of your Azure tenant or elsewhere in the Azure environment. Keep in mind that this plan supports both hybrid and multi-cloud environments, so your on-prem cloud and your instances of these databases within AWS or GCP would also be covered. For more guidance on securing your Azure environment, connect with one of our Azure experts.